Right. Good evening once again. As I said, my name is Maxim. I'm based in the United Kingdom. What I'm going to do is just to share with you what I understand about Cloud One. I joined a few months ago, and the business is growing very well, and it's amazing. It's one of the amazing opportunities. I've been in network marketing for a while, and when I see a good thing, I can identify a good thing. This is one of the best opportunities that you will ever come across. If you are here for the first time, I will strongly encourage you that after this presentation, you decide where you stand and get back to the person that has invited you to this presentation, and they will show you how you can get started. The better the package you start with, the better it becomes for you. So let's go into more detail about Crowd One. Right. The slide which I'm showing right now is showing some of the offices which are available in or for Crowd One. The main office is in Dubai. There's an office in Stockholm. There's an office in Manila. An office has already been opened. It's going to be officially launched in South Africa this weekend. I think it's from tomorrow. There's going to be an office going to be open in the United Kingdom very soon and somewhere in South America. So Crowd One is growing globally, and it's an opportunity for you as well if you decide that this is an opportunity for yourself to grow your business also internationally. The owner of the company or the founder is a gentleman called Jonas Erik Werner. He's Swedish Swedish rather, and the guy who's managing the Asia Pacific area is called Jan Frosten, and then Jan Stil von Holsten is executive director as the CEO, and Peter Jacobson is the Director of Global Networking. At the present moment, as of yesterday, over 750,000 people worldwide had joined Crowd One. And if you are seeing this and you think, oh, does this make you want to Google whatever you want to do? 750,000 people have already done that due diligence on your behalf. If you want to go on that, it's all your prerogative. You can still go and do that. But if 750 are right or wrong, you might be right. Some people might look at an opportunity and say it looks like a scam and whatever it is. The majority of time when I ask people to define what's a scam is that they don't know. When something they don't understand, they will usually define it as a scam. So when people say to you, though it looks like a scam, they are simply saying, I don't know how this works. So don't try and defend anything. Just ask them, define a scam and whatever it is. Some people don't even know. Or they'll say, oh, no, it looks like a pyramid. I can clearly say to you, everything in life is structured in a pyramid. Even if you're a Christian, God at the top, the husband submits to God, the wife submits to the husband, and everyone else is still a pyramid. Even where you are born, your family tree, it looks like a pyramid. So if you don't want to be in a pyramid, don't be in any family tree. That's how simplified. If you buy a drink, you are the end consumer. You have helped all the other people from the manufacturer until to yourself. That's a typical pyramid as well. So here is a pyramid, if you want to define it, which can help you better your life or make yourself better. You are already involved in different pyramids in your life, even a job. Your boss makes more money than you are. So I'm just going to clear that out. What is Crowd One? What are we not? We are not selling any shares. We're not a gambling company. We are not a crypto company or investment or a forex or developing any games. What do? We give free owner rights. Crowd One is a marketing company. You can use Bitcoin, Ethereum for payments. You can also use Bitcoin for withdrawals. And we are offering profit sharing, which means from the gaming industry on online gaming, when the companies, our third-party companies start sharing profits, depending on the owner rights that you have, these free owner rights, you will also benefit from the profit sharing. The more owner rights that you've got, the better you. The company is an education company, which means we teach you how the Crowd One works and how you can incorporate Crowd One with the world, basically, and generating real customers. These are people who basically use their phone on a day-to-day basis, every day, making money for somebody. Here is an opportunity where somebody can turn that mobile phone into an income stream. The company itself started pre-launch in January this year, 2019, until the 15th of November, which is just a week or so ago. And right now, we are now into Afilgo is already launched, which was one of our partners, and we are in pre-launch for Mixta, which probably is going to launch next year. We are 100% online 100% mobile online company. Crowd1 is always on the forefront of technology and now featuring on both the Android and the iOS app, which means you can download this on your Google or on your Android phone or in an Apple phone, and you can simply turn your mobile phone into a cash machine. You can see things happening on a day-to-day basis in real time, and this app, you can download this app on any App Store or Google Play. What it is, owner rights. You get more owner rights if you join early, which means the people who started in January have received more owner rights. But the good opportunity is that for you, if you are seeing this for the first time or this is your first time today, there is more owner rights which are still available. All you need is to make a decision and get started. The previous owner rights, or which now they call the pioneer owner rights, grew from as little as I think about 15 cents to about €2, which is over 1,810% growth in that, which means as on a day-to basis, as people are joining, these owner rights will grow, and they can now you can sell them or exchange them later on, probably sometime next year, for real cash. Crowd1 in online marketing. Crowd1 is not to be mistaken for any gaming or gambling company. Crowd1 uses online network and modern method for customer acquisition, including affiliate systems to create a solid customer base. This is one of the partners, Afilgo. Afilgo is one of the partners for Crowd1, and which means when people play games on their mobile phones through the Afilgo platform, whatever revenue is generated from Afilgo, Crowd1 members will benefit from the revenue share, which means how do you benefit? The more owner rights you have got, the more revenue that you're going to receive. And the bigger the team that you build, the more revenue you're going to, the more owner rights you're going to get, and that translates to more revenue for yourself. Mixer is going to launch next year, but in the present moment, sorry guys. Right, I just muted somebody, sorry. Yeah. Mixer is going to launch in the next year, but in this present moment, anyone who's joining now has got an opportunity to receive Mixer owner rights and also Afilgo owner rights, which means it's a win-win for people who are already existing members and also people who are seeing this for the first time as well. Now, to get started, it will take just simply a minute, which means there are 4 packages that you can get started with. These are educational packages. They come in the form of white, black, gold, and titanium, and each package will give you free owner rights based on the package that you decide to go for. The minimum package is €99. The biggest package is the platinum, which is almost 2,500 euros. You can get started by simply paying through Ethereum or Bitcoin, or if a member who's already existing, has got enough balance in their back office, they can buy you an equivalent of the package that you got through what we call a gift code. Through this gift code, you can use that to activate your account, and you give them the equivalent in your local currency of whatever package you got. The higher the package you get started with, the more owner rights you are going to receive, because each package will come with owner rights. Now, the good news is, as of the 15th of November until the 1st of December, the company is doing what we call the largest promotion ever, double the amount of Afilgo and Mixer owner rights. So what it means that you're going to get twice the free owner rights, depending. So the higher the package you get started with, the better it becomes. So included will be, as for the promotion, Afilgo up to 200 euros worth of owner rights, and for Mixer also up to 200 euros of owner rights. But these owner rights are based on the value of those owner rights. At the moment, Mixer is around. At the moment, Afilgo is around €2, which means you get about 100 owner rights, or if for Afilgo, and for Mixer, if you buy a package, you get 200, which means 200 at 50 cents. That gives you 400 owner rights, which if you add that together, you end up with a total of about 500 owner rights. So the higher the package you go for, so which means if you go for the titanium package, you get about 7,000 for Mixer, times 2, that gives you, if you divide that by 50 cents, that's about 14,000. But for a field goal, that's because that about €2, 7,000 give you about 3,500 owner rights. So which means in total you end up with about 17,000 owner rights just by starting with a package. How much you just get started with? Just 2,500. So I would strongly recommend, if you're seeing for this for the first time, or if you are on a package which is lower than titanium, upgrade, because you are going to double your owner rights. Because remember, owner rights is equivalent to more residual income for yourself. How do you withdraw the money with Crowd One? It's quite simple. The company is going to launch what we call Crowd One cards. These cards, depending on the level that you are in the business, you're going to receive these cards. I think they come in blue, gold, and black, which is called titanium. And these cards, you can use them in over 1 million pay points in the world, which means you can access your money anywhere in the world through that. And this is automatically linked to your cryptocurrency. Your cryptocurrency wallet is where you're going to keep your owner rights or your pioneer tokens, which when they start paying the residual income and the dividends, you can just withdraw straight into your card, as simply as that. So these are the cards that are going to come. They're going to be blue, gold, and titanium, which is black. These are the cards which they're going to launch. I think they're going to be starting from next month or so. I've already covered about the packages. Remember, you are buying educational material. These educational materials comes through those packages. The bronze is equivalent to the white package, the silver is equivalent to the black package, and the gold is equivalent to the gold package, and the platinum equivalent to the titanium package. These educational materials are quite fantastic for you to learn more about the Crowd One marketing and the Crowd One economy. This is quite fantastic once you got. Now let's look at the bonuses. I'm going to start with the Streamline bonus. To me, this is one of my favorite bonuses. All new members who enter the company worldwide are placed into a Streamline right after you have signed, which means if you get started now, you will notice after an hour that there are some members who have joined after you. They form part of your Streamline. And this Streamline determines how much owner rights you're going to receive, because not only when you get your package, it comes with owner rights, but each and every week you're going to receive more owner rights. This is based on two things. How many people have joined after you worldwide? You don't necessarily have to have introduced them. And how many people you have personally also introduced. So if you marry these two together, you'll find that you're going to be receiving more owner rights each and every week. You find that after an hour, thousands of people have already joined. I registered a good friend just about 2 days ago. She went onto your back office. She discovered that 18,000 people have joined after she had registered, which means now she's going to benefit from a Streamline just because she got started. So don't think I'll do it tomorrow. Tomorrow never comes. Everything is today. If you decide this is something for you, get started today, because tomorrow never comes. No one has ever reached tomorrow. Tomorrow, anything that you decide to do it today. So this is just a structure just to show you how this Streamline bonus is going to come. So when you get started, you automatically become at level 1, which means depending on your package, you receive every Wednesday about €2.50 worth of owner rights. If they are mixer, which means they're at 50 cents at the moment, you're going to receive about 5. When you introduce one person, automatically you move on to level 2. At level 2, you start receiving about €5 worth of owner rights, provided 10,000 people have already joined after you. But with the numbers, the way people are joining Crowd One, you'll be surprised after a week, maybe 75 or 50,000 people have already joined. But take advantage of that and say, if you start on a higher package, which means, and you have introduced maybe 3 people, you are automatically at level 3. By then, when 50,000 people, you start to receive €10 worth of owner rights. It's cuts across according to whatever package you've got. Right, according to this screen, this is my back office, which means I'm at that level. 500,000 people have already joined. I receive about €100 worth of owner rights. And I think because it's doubling, I don't know whether I'm going to get a double of that, but that's what's happening, which means for me to get more, I need to have brought in 10 people and provided 750,000 people have joined the company. as I showed you the slide before, 750,000 people joined. They've already joined the company, but because I joined a bit later, so which means I'm still catching up. Once I catch up with that, because I've already introduced more than 10 people, then I'll be earning about 150 euros worth of honor rights each and every week. And then basically this is what is saying that this is the level that I am. If 1.2 million people, that's where. But from that level on, which means should have encouraged my downlines to have upgraded to at least the black package. When I've got 13 people at black pack with at least black package and 1.5 million people have joined Crowd One, I'll start to receive 500 euros each and every week. And then the highest stage is when we have got 15 people who are now at Titanium and 10 million people have joined. You'll be earning about 2,250 euros each and every week. So this is something that, but for me, when I see this, which means the company is looking at 5 years and beyond, because 10 million people, that's a lot of people. What it means that for even somebody who's joining today, for them to have, which means 10 million people should have joined after them from today, which means they are not looking at 10 million, probably a billion people to be active in Crowd One, and there's going to be lots of money that's going to be shared around. Let's look at another bonus, affiliate bonus, which means each sign up gives you a different amount depending on each package level, on their package level, and your imbalance on the left and right. So what you need to do is basically to activate these bonuses, you need to have personally introduced one person on the left, one person on the right. So qualification, invite 2 members, one on each leg, left and right, and the points that are generated from either left or right, each point, 10 points is equivalent to €1, which means in this example, 720 points on the left-hand side, 720 points on the right-hand side. That gives you 1,440 points. Automatically kicks €144 instantly for you. This is money which you can withdraw. I believe 80% is available for you to withdraw. The other 20% is converted to honor rights on your behalf. So which means, depending on the package, you can earn, if people are joining with Titanium, you are looking to be earning between €225 to €900 because of this imbalance. But the key thing, you need to have invited at least 2 members, one on the left, one on the right-hand side, to activate that. Then the affiliate bonus, this is another part of the affiliate bonus, is this 1 in 3. What it simply means is that if you have got 10,000 points in your right team, which means this is the right team, and a person joins with a Titanium package on your left-hand side, this will free up 6,750 points. This is 1 in 3, which means whatever volume, a third of it on the left-hand side will release 3 times the same volume. When these volumes are joined together, that gives you 9,000 points. Remember, 10 points is equivalent to €1. That kicks you a bonus of €900 instantly. People are, it's like they are printing money each and every day because things are happening on the left and right hand side. Remember, you need to have introduced at least one person on the right, one person on the left hand side. Matching bonus. If you have personally introduced 4 people, every time your downliner gets a bonus, let's say it's 900, you get 10%, €90 kicks into your account. If they get 36 euros, €3.60 kick in your account. If you have introduced 8 people, which means now you go to level 2. If you introduce about 20 people, you now receive bonuses up to 5 levels deep, which is just tons of money. If we do the maths, most of us won't sleep tonight. So let's leave it at that. But as you build your team, you start to realize how powerful this matching bonus is, because it creates lots of money for yourself. Fear of loss. This is an incredible bonus which the company puts 3,000 euros in your back office. All you need to do is within 14 days, you have introduced 4 people who start with the Titanium package. Doesn't matter you started with the white package, as long as you introduce 4 people who start with the Titanium package, you get 3,000 euros. Someone will say, Max, what if I don't get 4 people with Titanium package? I get 4 people who start with the white package, you get 125. If you get 4 people start with a black package, you get 375. If you get 4 people start with the gold package, you get 1,000 euros. But if you have got a combination of a smaller package, they pay you equivalent to whatever the smaller package is. So if you bring 16 people 4 will start with titanium, gold, black and white. You receive over 4,000 euros as long this happens within your first 14 days. So if you get started today, make sure you work with whoever is working, who's introduced you, so that you get your 14 people as soon as possible. But what it also does, it kicks in some of these bonuses which you've already covered. So you are killing 2 birds with 1 stone, or maybe 3 or 4 birds with 1 stone by just focusing on the fear of loss within your first 14 days. Introduce as many people as you can directly under you. You introduce this bonus. Affiliate bonus. This is going to be paid month after month. According to here, it says affiliate bonus is a direct kickback from the money spent in any of the many online gaming products offered by Crowd1, Afilgo, third-party companies, well-known companies with competitive. So which means the more honor, I think the more honor rights you've got, the more affiliate residual bonus you're going to get. I'm still trying to understand this much, but I will strongly believe that the more honor rights you've got, that's why. Now, Crowd1 Pioneer tokens, these Crowd1 Pioneer tokens, it simply means that those who have already been active before the 15th, have got these Crowd1 Pioneer tokens. You need to go into your back office and convert these tokens and create a wallet. This makes it safe for you. When Afilgo starts sharing its profits, I think, or dividends from February onwards, you will start to receive this based on the amount of honor rights. And you need to activate to create your Navapago wallet. The instructions are there. Simple, follow the instructions and you get emails, and you need to go to do your KYC as well, respectively. Network levels. As you are building a team, you start to grow into different levels. You become a team leader start 2, and so forth. And this also gives you gaming residual. This is about 5%, 5%, 5%. But also, if you reach manager start 3, by March next year, you qualify for a cruise in May, all expenses paid. There was a cruise recently, I think just under a month or so back. People who had qualified already enjoyed the benefits of Crowd1. So if you saw the videos, I think you want to be there. If you don't see me on that cruise, you're on the wrong cruise. So make sure you are on the right cruise. You qualify for the right. Don't qualify to be in a boat. This is a cruise ship. Thank you. So hopefully we'll see you on the cruise. So hopefully you join us onto the cruise next year. I'm working towards that. I'm helping tons of people in my team to also achieve that. So as we work together, remember, teamwork means together everyone achieves more, or together everyone achieves miracles. So which means you work as a team and you will achieve miracles, basically. Now, just to finish off, if you have been invited by somebody to this webinar, please get back to them and get started as soon as possible. I'm going to give you this one more thing. There are 3 types of people in this world. Those who make things happen, those who watch things happen, and those who wonder what happened. Most of us love football. And we say, oh, those footballers are millionaires and whatever it is, because we go and watch them make money. Most of us spend time watching football or TV. You are watching somebody make money. Here's an opportunity. You can create a legacy for yourself, for your family, for your children, by just making a decision. Remember, there is no tomorrow. If this makes sense, get back to the person that invited you to this webinar or showed you this video. If somebody has shared this as a video to you, and tell them, I want to make things happen. Don't watch other people happen or say some people are lucky. Lucky is when preparedness and focus meet. Are you prepared to succeed? Are you hungry for your success? Only you can answer that question. Hopefully it makes sense, and God bless you. And I'm going to stop the recording, and then people can ask questions. Right, if you have got a question, just unmute yourself. Let me activate that first. Right, if you have got a question, just unmute yourself and I will be glad to answer any question. I've allowed people to unmute themselves.